How to make a ghost. Find a doll. Any doll. Now find a corner in your house that you don't look at very often. Put the doll there. Look at the doll now and then during the day while talking to other people. Act as if the doll was listening into your conversations. When you're alone in the house, become aware of a presence in that corner of the house. Notice that every day, around a particular time, say 11 p.m., that presence seems to get stronger. Notice that things in the house seem to be moving places. This key wasn't where you left it. This chair was facing the other way today morning. Who moved it? Slowly turn to the doll and realize it's staring at you. Start waking up in the middle of the night because you hear someone talking in the house. But that's impossible.
Can you find me?
You're alone in the house.
Can you find me?
Or are you? You go to the corner.
I'm here.
The doll is waiting for you.
Behind you, look.
And you hear it speak.
Behind you.
But it's speaking in a familiar voice.
I'm behind you.
Yours.
Can you see me?
You realize with growing horror
Can you find me?
that the
Can you find
ghost
me? Hello?
is you.
Hello?
Remember, you don't need to create a ghost
Right
to
here.
ruin your life. You
In front of you.
are enough.
Don't be scared.